Hello everyone! 皆さんこんにちは! Today, I'm gonna talking about how to be able to speak Japanese. Yeah, have you ever thought about I'm studying hard Japanese, but I'm not still enough to speak Japanese? Or I really wanted to speak Japanese more naturally. If you sound like that, you are in the right place. Well, I'm talking about the most effective way and fun way to be able to speak Japanese. So, let's get started. Well, first one. It is important balance of input and output. I want to tell you, so please don't just only listening and reading. You have to do the output. Of course, it is important to learn grammar, vocabulary, kanji, but if you study just like that, probably it is hard to speak Japanese. So, I really want you to output by using these grammars, vocabulary, and kanjis. Yeah, for example, if you study Japanese grammars, let's create sentence by using these grammars. And please speak actively. Okay? Yes. So, don't just memorize. The more, if you use that, you can probably do the more faster to speak Japanese. Okay. Let's go next. Second one. To speak Japanese every day. Well, yeah. For example, shadowing animation or Japanese podcast, speech by using TED Talk. Yes, so it is important to move your mouth or to talk by yourself in Japanese. Yeah, if you try to do that, you can do the thinking in Japanese, which is awesome things, you know? Yeah, don't worry if it is not perfect. Even 5 minutes every day, big differences before. So, let's try. Okay? Third one. Express yourself in Japanese. If you understand grammar but can't speak, you want to sing. For example, you can try written diary in Japanese to express yourself, which is awesome things because of you can output, you know, or to make conversation with Japanese. If you want to do that, you can use some apps, for example, Hello Talk or Tandem, like exchange language apps. Okay, so, or when you see something, you let's think what how to say in Japanese. If you try to do that always, so it's custom. It will be the daily. Yeah, if you try to do that, you will definitely improve your speaking skill. Okay. So, or let's try to speak Japanese with native speakers. So I told you, if you use something apps, like language exchange apps, you can speak for free. Yeah, don't afraid to make mistake. You can start to short chatting. Yes. Or you can use for any language learning platform like italki, Preply. Yes, so it takes cost, but if you find good teacher, it will be more very meaningful for you. Okay, well, it's okay if you are nervous. So I really want you to try to speak actively. Okay. Let's go next. Last one. Don't be afraid mistake. Yeah, in my opinion, mistake is so important process to speak Japanese. Yeah, everyone knows speak Japanese perfectly, so it's okay if you make mistake. Yeah, just try. Okay, that's all. Let's quick review. So I told you, balance of input output is important. Yeah, and speaking Japanese every day. Yes, and express yourself in Japanese. Yeah, or speak with native speakers. Okay, so last one. Don't be afraid to make mistake. Okay, well, which one do you want to try first? Please let me know in the comments. Yeah, if this video meaningful for you or good motivation for you, please good and comment, subscribe, please お願いします。Well, thank you for watching my video. 私の動画見てくれてありがとうございます。So, see you in the next video. それでは次の動画でお会いしましょう。See you. Bye.